I'm gonna have mine on semi-automatic.
Yeah, mine's on
Unless it gets heavy, I'm gonna stick it on full. I suggest you alright, good. I just want to make sure you can move fast, just like this.
Where's our fallback position?
This is it. We don't need fallback position. Doesn't hurt.
I'm gonna go up and try to get my battery out.
Okay.
Look at it.
Alright.
I can't get the battery out of here.
Okay. I've had like an hour-long game where just me, or my friend and him, or two of my friends were here. Me and Luke were all there, and it took forever. It was so much fun. We wasted like half of our battery in one game. Hey, Hunter, can you see the right-hand side?
I can only see a big bunch of bushes on the right side.
I bet you they're gonna go for the right-hand side because that's the most heavily pushed.
Yeah.
Nope.
Wait, I see one.
I see
Yeah.
one.
I see someone.
Hey, Pierce, don't shoot unless you got a for sure shot.
That shit.
Hunter, don't shoot until they get somewhat close. Oh, someone's coming over there. Someone's coming from the right.
Someone's coming from all the left and
Hey, Pierce, can you still
wait.
move them?
Wait,
Yeah,
they're both
I
over
see.
here. They're both on the left. I see them both. No, one of them you dad. Shane's on the left and your dad is also.
Alright.
His dad's not here.
Yeah, he's here.
Up.
He was just talking to Shane. Oh yeah, that means my brother is coming from the
Right.
right.
Can I just stand like
I
this?
hear him shooting.
A Shane?
I hear Shane shooting.
Much better.
I'm pretty sure Shane's just behind that bush over to.
You see him?
I see him. No, that's your dad. Wait, I don't know. That might have been Luke.
Oh, I see him.
Wait.
Dude, I see him.
That's Luke. Hey, can you get a shot?
I can't get it from here. No way. Not me.
Not you. Take a shot. Take a
I
shot.
can't. He's behind the tree.
Dude, come over here.
Come here, right here. Right where I am.
Dude, I'm seeing him. I'm looking at him.
Right where I am. Right here. Take it. No, right here.
Watch out.
Good shot, man. Good shot.
Oh, crap. It's on the No, I don't know. It's not loaded. What the hell?
I see him.
Can you see?
Hunter, keep it on summer.
No, it's not working.
Mine's more accurate on full auto.
What the hell?
It's working, Pierce.
You have to keep crossing.
Don't put it in the
Dude, I'm looking at it.
dirt either.
He's right there. He's coming up. He's coming up.
Shane's coming to the right.
Dude, I'm almost out. I got a few more.
I'm just watching him walk.
Hey, Luke! Whatever. I'm just ranging.
Where the fuck's
Can I see
Shane?
real fast?
Dude, try and find Shane. He's probably coming around to realize this sneaky attack.
Hunter, if you could try not to move the board.
I'm not. Is that you?
Oh, crap. There's Shane. He's on left. He's left. He's right there. He's left.
Hey, dude, he's hit. Hunter, you're out. Dude, you're out of ammo.
Where's Luke?
I know, but like.
Hunter, just reload, dude.
I know.
Don't
Dude, where the crap is Luke?
thought it was,
Come on,
He's off to the right. He's coming off. I see him.
I thought it was 2 hits. Shanna, are you the medic?
Where the crap is he? He's right there.
What? What?
You're hitting me. Almost.
Go, 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 go! Dang, John! You see him?
I'm down.
Hey, I'll be right in the...
Go over there, go. Where is he? Hey, you're done!
I know I'm done.
Don't shoot!
I'm not shooting. Do I look like I'm shooting here?
That was me. I see him. See him?
No. Yeah.
You guys keep that table.
Hey, put it on here. Bring me more after.
Dude, I think I'm out.
Look at the bottom. Falls, you're out.
Where do I go?
Reload!
How do I pull it out?
Forget it. Here. Press the button. Press the button and press there.
That's where? Hey, that's out of bounds, isn't it?
Luke, that's out of bounds! Doesn't matter, it's out of bounds. Have him go inbound.
Wait, time out!
What?
Dude, I can't figure it out.
Time out! Guns on safety! Alright, dude, I already showed you. Press, take out.
Hold on.
You know how to speed load it. Right?
Hold on, no.
Press the little button.
God, hold it.
You kidding me? Balls.
Nice.
Is it loading?
I accidentally make it go everywhere.
Nice.
Again! With this stupid speeder. What?
We'll tell you if we're good.
Hold on!
Speedloader sucks.
Dude, on your... Mike.
Don't shoot me. Oh,